In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Vendasta for reputation management, and by the end, you'll understand exactly how this tool can transform the way you manage your online reputation. Stick around, because I've got some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started with Vendasta for free. First off, Vendasta is an all-in-one platform designed for digital marketing and reputation management. It's built to help businesses, especially those with a client base, keep track of their reviews, respond to them, and boost their overall online image. If you've been struggling to keep up with your online reputation, Vendasta can really streamline the process. Next thing, you'll want to know that one of the core features of Vendasta for reputation management is the review monitoring tool. This feature allows you to monitor your reviews across multiple platforms, Google, Facebook, Yelp, and more, right from the Vendasta dashboard. No need to constantly check each platform individually. This is going to save you a lot of time and give you a central place to manage everything. The third thing is the review response feature. After you've set up your monitoring, it's crucial to engage with your customers. With Vendasta, you can respond to reviews directly from the platform without having to log into each site. This helps you maintain your reputation by responding quickly to both positive and negative reviews, showing that you care about your customers' feedback. Now, the fourth thing, and this is a game changer, Vendasta helps you solicit new reviews. You can automate review requests and send them out to customers by email or SMS, encouraging them to leave positive feedback. It's a great way to boost your reviews across platforms and keep your reputation growing in the right direction. Plus, when you get more positive reviews, it can actually improve your local SEO, which is huge for driving more traffic. Next, let's talk about the reporting tools. With Vendasta, you get comprehensive reports that show you exactly how your business is performing across review platforms. These reports are easy to share with clients if you're managing reputation for others. You'll be able to track improvements and pinpoint areas where you need to focus more attention, like responding to negative reviews or encouraging more feedback. The sixth thing to note is the dashboard's simplicity. It's user-friendly, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Whether you're running a small business or managing reputation for clients, Vendasta makes everything straightforward, so you won't waste time figuring out the software. Everything you need is in one place. Before I wrap up, I want to mention that if you're interested in trying Vendasta for yourself, you can use it for completely free through the first link in the description below. You'll also get some exclusive bonuses to help you hit the ground running with your reputation management efforts. To sum up, Vendasta is a powerful, all-in-one platform for reputation management, giving you everything you need to monitor, respond to, and boost your online reviews. Whether you're a business owner or managing reputation for others, this tool can help streamline your efforts and save you time. And remember, with the link below, you get an exclusive extended free trial, so don't miss out.